Sanding irregular shapes and panels such as this can be difficult. So today I thought I'd share a few things that I found that can make that job a lot more enjoyable. The first step is to start out with a tool such as this, which is a palm sander type DA, and we have some 220 on that. And we're going to hit all the big flat areas first. We're going to take care of a majority of this tailgate with this sander. After we're finished with that sander, we're going to take the pad, and usually the center is still pretty good and this outside is not too good. So then we're going to use one of these little guys right here, which is a small DA, and I just cut the center out of that old pad, which is still pretty good, and we can use this little DA in these difficult irregular shaped areas. Again, I'm using 220 on a palm sander, and I'm going to take care of a majority of the open flat areas. After you're finished with the big giant areas, the disc is still good in the middle. So you can peel that off, stick it on the little mini DA, just like that, and then just cut with the scissors around there, and you got a free little disc. And now that I have my little sanding disc cut out, I can go about sanding these difficult irregular shapes. So let's give it a go. Finally, any spots that you missed with the large DA or the mini DA, you can come and hit it with the scuff pad. When you're finished with that, blow this thing clean, hit the bare metal spots with a little bit of primer, and paint it. When I get those things finished, I'll be back to show you the finished panel. One more tool that I want to show you real quick before I leave is this little wheel here that has plastic bristles impregnated with abrasives, and it works very well on pickup truck beds, the ribs, for preparing it for spray-on bed liner or paint. It's not going to remove any paint or rust, but it does prepare the surface for primer or spray-on bed liner. I hope you enjoyed this video on sanding irregular surfaces and making that job a little bit easier for you. And if you did and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.